So here we have a course open. Now let's try adding a lesson. And here we have our title and the content. Now we see this attach file or files button. Let's try using it. We'll take a couple of pictures and attach. And you see that they're not being uploaded. Now let's see why. Actually, I know why, because they're not loaded to our active storage on Amazon. Let's try storing them in development, not on Amazon, but in local, and see if it changes. So they're again opening the Rails server, refreshing the page. Here we'll have a title, the content, and we'll take the same two images and see if they are uploaded. So we see that the problem was on the Amazon side. Now, to get rid of this problem, we will have to go to our S3 console, to our bucket, go to permissions, course configuration, and here we'll have to add the following code. So this code and save. Now, this is just a piece of code that will make uploading files inside of action text work. So we're going back to our development environment, choosing Amazon as our storage, and starting the server. Now we will refresh from the beginning, go to a new lesson, take a couple of images and see if they're uploaded. And you see that they were uploaded to Amazon. So let's save. And they were saved. But you see that we cannot display them yet. And to display them, as the documentation says, we need the gem image processing. So we will add it to our gem file and run bundle. Now, most likely, it will not work directly, because to actually install image processing, you will have to install ImageMagick on your development environment. So you will really need to write the command sudo apt install ImageMagick. Otherwise, it won't work. So I've already installed it, and I'm starting the server. And now I see that the images are successfully displayed. Now, going back to the documentation, we see that we also have a Rails way of resizing the images. So let's try using it. We're going to our views, courses, to the course partial, and we'll try using this link to display the course avatar. So we will have the course.avatar and see if it works. Now we're going here, and here we see two images. Now let's remove the one that we had created previously with the height and the width in CSS, and here is the image that we've resized using the Rails way. Now going back, we're going to leave this as an example, and for the production, for now we're using the height 200 pixels and the width will be automatic 100% of the width of the card. So in this lesson, we fixed adding attachments using our S3 buckets and displaying the attachments in our rich text.